Okay, let's look at questions number 24 and 25 from the Math 1033 Final Exam Review. Come down with me to the paper. And let's see. Let me get the wires out of the way here. All right, there is our first question. This is question number 24. It asks you to take the equation 5xyz equals 12a, and we're being asked to solve for x. Now, all of the terms that have x are already on the same side, and the non-x terms are on the other side. So that part's done. Notice that x is being multiplied by 5, by y, and by z. So in one shot, what I'm going to do to both sides of the equation is divide by 5yz. And of course, the reason I'm dividing is because I'm undoing multiplication. Then what happens on the left-hand side of the equation, the 5's cancel, the y's cancel, and the z's cancel, leaving me with x. And my answer is 12a all over 5yz. Now, if this constant down here were, this number's a 5, but if it were something that divided into 12, we would actually go ahead and finish the problem by doing that division to reduce the answer to lowest terms, that it's already in lowest terms. Okay, question number 25. I have the equation ax equals b minus 5x, and we're trying to solve the equation for x. Our first step on this problem, we're going to need to get all of the x's on the same side of the equation. So basically what I'm going to need to do is to move this negative 5x over to the other side, and we're going to do that by addition. What we do to one side, we do to the other. So we have ax plus 5x is equal to b. And now I have the x's on the same side, the non-x's on the other. When I look at the left-hand side of this equation, the reason I put the x's together, the x terms together, is so that I could very easily isolate x by using the factoring property or distributive property, where I can actually factor out an x. So I write this as x times the quantity a plus 5, and this is equal to b. And my final step here to get x alone is to undo this multiplication, and of course to undo multiplication we apply division. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. So I'm dividing through by a plus 5. The a plus 5's cancel, leaving me with the final answer. X is equal to b all over the quantity a plus 5. And we're done. Okay.